Hi people, today I'm at Terlon Apartments in Liverpool on Victoria Street. I've booked a studio apartment and let's have a look what it looks like, shall we? Let's take a look. Right, so that's your front door, and also we've got like a area that's basically, and that's towards back to the inside of the building. So as you can see, then we've got the light switch, and then that's the door into the apartment. And as you can see, we've got a double bed. Let's take a look at the bed, shall we? Pillows, fan. Actually, it looks okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's it. We've got sink here, and we've got under sink, whatever that is. And then we've got some cutlery, there's pans, colander. And then, got to move things about by the looks of it. And this is your fridge. And you've got double plug socket there. Not sure what that is. There's your kettle and toaster there. Let's have a look how clean the kettle is, shall we? Looks reasonably clean. And then got your glasses, cups, and a couple of bowls and plates. And you've got an oven there. Let's just move this table out the way. Your oven's quite clean. Little hob section there. This table's so in the way. Right, so you've got a cupboard there. And then you've got a dryer there. Or is it a washer dryer? It's washer dryer. So yeah. So you got wash dry your boiler, and then you got a chair there, and curtains, bit muggy, bit mucky, shall I say. You've got this down to the cavern club down there, so it probably will be a bit noisy at night. And then you can see across as well there. And like I said, you got your table and chairs as well. And you got a little sofa there, little rug, wall heater, and TV. Let's see if it works. And then you got this cupboard. Drawers there, spare battery is that? Not sure. User manuals. Yeah, TV works. Nothing in that. Right, let's take a look. Oh, there's another double socket there. You've got some washing up liquid, sponge, and bin as well, and a fan. And then water settings, phone to reception, I presume. And this is your bathroom, your toilet, lovely and clean, smells of bleach, so, and towels, shaver plug, mirror, hairdryer. Unusual to have a hairdryer in the bathroom, especially in the UK. But and then you got shampoo, mango and peach, and coconut conditioner. got a lovely little sink there and little soap. Then you've got your towel rail, and you've got this lovely shower. Shower head could do with a bit of a clean. It's not major. Yeah. And then you've got blow towel. Then you've got shower gel there, coconut conditioner, and mango and peach shampoo as well. But yeah, if I move that out, let's see how good this shower is, shall we? That's not fully on, so it's quite good. Good pressure there. There you go, it's quite clean. And then you've got toilet roll there, and bin and toilet brush. So yeah. Oh, and we've got this wardrobe section here with an iron as well. Don't know where the ironing board is though. Can't see no ironing board. So just an iron. Let's check if this bedtime lamp works yet. Yeah. So that's it. So let me know in the comments what you think. I paid £88 for this for one night. Not much budget-wise compared to what I normally get. Oh, I found the ironing board. So, but yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think it's worth it for Liverpool city centre? Like I said, just the fact of it's got the washing machine and dryer in as well. That's why I booked it, because of washing my clothes, because I'm on a like nearly 2-week trip. So okay, well, let me know in the next video. Sorry, I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Right, I've got an issue. Basically, my clothes have got stuck in the washing machine and I can't get them out. Yeah, as you can see, my clothes are in the washing machine and we can't get them out. Now, basically, I've got to wait till 7 o'clock in the morning. I've got to wait till 7 o'clock in the morning because there's no technician about, which is fair enough. It's just fact now I've got to wait till 7 o'clock in the morning, which is a nightmare really. And worst thing is that it's 1:20 now and the window's closed. And I don't know if you can hear that noise. Yeah, so basically it's a little bit noisy of the clubs downstairs, which is expected, but I thought I'd let you know what it sounds like. I know, because just in case you want to book here, but of course that is how the noise is. But yeah, I will let you know how the wash machine dryer goes tomorrow in the morning. My clothes have been freed, as you can see. So yeah, it's like, I'm happy. Just not happy that I now got to find a laundrette in order to get it done. because I haven't got time to get washed and dried now, because I've got to check out. But yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.